Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how do we find the mean, median and mode for a given data. Okay, so let's start with mean. Let's first recall what is the rule to find mean. So mean for any data, if you have say n observation, you denote the mean by x bar. It is nothing but the sum of all the observations over the total number of observations, where say I goes from 1 to n if you have n observation. That is, you add all the observations one by one and then divide by the total number of observations. So in our case, the mean will be sum of all the observations. So it is 12 plus 15 plus 9 plus 16 plus 8 plus 15. We add all the observations divided by total number of observation, that is n. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is 6 divided by 6. And then you just get this number by using calculator. So what does this give you? This gives you 75 over 6. That is 12.5. This is your mean. Now next goes to median. So for median, it is necessary first to arrange the data. Okay, either in decreasing order or increasing order. Okay, so let's work on median. So we arrange it in increasing or decreasing order. So let's say we are arranging it in increasing order, means smaller to bigger number. Okay, so let's start with the first number. See, the smallest number here is 8. So let's write first 8. 8 is gone. Then what number we have next? 9. Okay, after 9, what you have? 12. And then after 12, you have 15, which is coming 2 times. So 15, 15. Yeah, if the number is repeating twice or thrice, you have to write it same number of times. And then 16. So count how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so total are 6. So we counted all of them. Now, once we arrange them in increasing or decreasing order, median is nothing but the central value or the middle value. If you recall the rule of finding the middle value when n is even, it is n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2, because it's nothing but the mean of these two observations. Okay, so let's see what is n here. Here n is 6. So it's 6 over 2. It means it's a mean of third and fourth observation. Okay, so let's see it in another way. So it means that if you count one element on both sides, two elements together on both sides. So central values are these two. So we write median as the average of these two values, 12 plus 15 over 2. That is 27 divided 2. Okay, did you get it? So which is nothing but 13.5. Because here we are not having one central value. Here we are having two middle values. So we say the median is the average. Okay. Now coming to the mode. So mode is the thing that is the number or the data point that appears with maximum frequency, means that appear maximum number of time. So which number is there? That you can easily see from here when you see the arrangement. So you see that 8 appears only one time, 9 appear one time, 12 appear one time, 15 is repeated 2 times, 16 only one time. So in this case, the mode is 15 as it's appearing 2 times. So let's take another example. Again, we have to find mean, median, and mode. So mean is the straightforward. So what we will do, mean, we add all the numbers, 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 9 plus 6, 3, 2, 7, 2 divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in total. Okay. So here are n. The number of observations are 9. So you are dividing it by 9. So this gives you when you add the numerator, you get 38 over 9, which is nothing but 4.22. Okay. Now coming to the median. For median, yes, what do we need for median? We need to arrange the data. So let's arrange it from increasing to decreasing order. So starting with the smallest number. Smallest number is here 2. Now how many times 2 is repeated? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 2 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next number is 3. It's coming only one time. Okay. Next is, yes, 5. After that, we have 6, then we have 7, and then we have 9. So here n is 9. So what will be the middle value? Let's see. We have one observation on both sides, 2 together, 3 on both sides, or 4. So we get a single middle value. Yes. So this is nothing but your median. Okay. It's aligned with our formula. What is the formula for finding median? If n is odd, it is nothing but n plus 1 over 2. This observation. So what we have? 9 plus 1 over 2. That is 10 over 2. That is fifth observation. So if we look at the position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On fifth position, we have number 3. So our median is 3. Okay. Next, coming to the mode. So mode is nothing but the frequency that appears with, the number which appears with maximum frequency, or you can see it for maximum number of times. So when you arrange the data, you can clearly see that here 2 is the number which is appearing 4 times. Rest all the numbers are coming only one time. So in this case, mode is equal to 2 as it appears 4 times. Okay. So